Welcome to ROTwin, the virtual educational simulation for radiotherapy professions. In ROTwin, you can learn and practice how to perform quality assurance, so-called QA tasks that ensure the safety and performance of radiation therapy machine on a scenario-by-scenario basis. Prior to the main scenarios, this tutorial will provide you the basic configuration and operations. On the first, let's move the mouse to look around the treatment room you are standing in. Okay, then let's move the player. The player can move by pressing the WASD keys or the arrow keys on your keyboard. Great. Then let's visit the control room. The control room is a near place that manages and controls the treatment performed in this room. Well done. Here in this control room, you will practice various QAs, such as dosimetry and radiation safety. Now, let's go back to the treatment room to do some basic controls of the LINAC. This is the most representative machine in radiotherapy, called linear accelerator, or LINAC for short. LINAC accelerates electrons and generates either the electron beam itself or X-rays for treatment. Such beams can be directed by steering the gantry. Let's practice to move the gantry by using the couch buttons in front of you. You can click all buttons with your mouse cursor. If you have any trouble with clicking the buttons, you can fix the screen by pressing F key on your keyboard. Then, let's set the gantry angle to 90 degrees exactly. Well done. Remember, you can fix or free the screen via the F key. You can also use the remote control to operate the LINAC. Let's click on the remote control next to the couch to get it. Like this, you are holding the remote control, but it seems difficult to click. If you press the F key again, the remote control activates while the screen fixes, so you can click the buttons. Great. Now let's press the button on the remote control. Reset the gantry angle to 0 degrees exactly. Excellent. And there are many other buttons you will use. For example, the arrow buttons you see now is for moving the couch. Click on each one. Good job. The first tutorial is now complete. This session will end in a moment, so let's move on to actual QA training sessions.